This video clip explains how to write, graph, and solve linear equations from descriptions. I can jump my skateboard 8 inches. Each week I practice, I can jump 2 inches farther. So if I wanted to know my jump distance, that would be equal to 2 inches times the number of weeks that I practice. I'll use W to represent weeks, plus the 8 inches that I can jump without any practice. If I practice each week, how many weeks will it take before I can jump 20 inches? I replace my jump distance J with 20. Everything else is the same. You might be able to just see that 2 times what number plus 8, and you could know what that number is. But let's go ahead and show the steps for solving that, just in case we work with solving equations that are not so easy to see. So let's do the opposite of add 8. Let's subtract 8. Whatever I do on the right side, I have to do on the left side. Doing the opposite of adding 8 gives us 0. 20 minus 8 is 12. So 12 equals 2 times the number of weeks. You can probably see what that would be, but let's just go ahead and show you the steps. So 2 times W, let's do the opposite of multiply, which is divide. Instead of multiplying by 2, we will divide by 2. Whatever I do on the right, I have to do on the left. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So it will take me 6 weeks of practice before I can jump 20 inches total. Let's graph that. My jump distance equals 2 inches plus 2 inches times the number of weeks plus 8. Let's use the horizontal axis for the number of weeks. And with no practice, that would be 0 weeks. I can jump 8 inches. So my vertical axis is the jump distance. Well, after 1 week of practice, I can jump 2 inches further, or 10 inches. And each week I practice, I can jump 2 inches further. Up 2 inches over 1 week, up 2 inches over 1 week. So if we wanted to see how long it would take to get 20 inches, that point right there is 6 weeks. If we connect those points with a straight line, it will look like that. So the graph of that equation is a straight line. So let's change the numbers a little bit and do another one. I can jump 9 inches with no practice, 3 inches further for every week that I practice. So my jump distance is equal to 3 times the number of weeks plus 9 inches without any practice. So to solve this equation for a jump distance of 18 inches, I replace the jump distance with 18. Then I do the opposite of add 9, which is subtract 9. So on each side, 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. That's why we did that. So 9 equals 3 times something. Well, you can probably see what that is. Well, let's just go ahead and do the opposite of multiply by 3. Let's divide by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. It would take 3 weeks until I could jump 18 inches total.